Hey, this is Brent from TradeGuild.net, and it is Sunday, and I'm coming to you from the non-digital studios of my back porch. It's a beautiful day here in South Florida, so the birds are singing and everything's good. We're looking at the US dollar, and that's all we're going to look at today. Question is, what is happening with the dollar? Is it getting ready to bounce? As you can see, it's made some upward progress yesterday, and if we are to believe things that we've seen in the past with our 3C indicator, then we have to consider the possibility of this bounce. For instance, we got a positive divergence over here. We got a bounce in this area. Now we're working on a very big positive divergence, and it is heading into territory of a leading divergence. If that were to happen, then we would probably most certainly be looking at a bounce. Another version of 3C for you. We're seeing similar activity there, and here's the fast version, and we're seeing very similar activity here with a very positive divergence. As far as just the chart by itself, you can see that it's stayed pretty well beneath that 50-day moving average for some time now, and you can see where the bear flags have occurred in these areas. So are we just going to make another bear flag? I don't know. The positive divergences are very strong. If we look at the MACD heat map and we back out, you can see pretty clearly that the downside momentum that we see all in this area has waned, and we're starting to see that upside on the MACD heat map. Even though, we're not seeing these big moves down, we still have a downtrend, but there's something that is a little bit more interesting that's occurring here. I'm going to show you. Let me get rid of these moving averages. We're going to draw some trend lines. Here's our channel. Our recent activity looks like this. I would dare to say that this may be a descending wedge coming to the apex. So a descending wedge is actually a bullish pattern. Even though prices are descending, as you can see, it gets tighter and tighter and tighter, and it winds up like a spring, and then it would break out to the upside. Now typically these will retrace their base. Now, can we say the base is somewhere over in this $80 level? Yeah, maybe. Or we might be able to say the base is even higher, up to this $88 level. But something's going on here with the dollar, which is going to affect a lot of things. Oil, commodity, maybe gold. Just quickly looking at our stock finder program, we can see where our trading system that's featured on Wolf on Wall Street, where it went short over here in this about $84 area, and it has remained in the channel, and it stayed short all the way down here to 76.43. A lot of pips there. So I'm going to watch for a break above this channel, and that will give us our long signal. And when that happens, you can be sure that I will be posting about it. Here's our bear flag over here, another small one over here. So are we going for a bear flag, or are we going for that ascending wedge, which would mean a lot more? We'll find out. For now, this is Brant from TradeGuild.net. Stop by the website. It's got a new look, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Have a great Sunday.